Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 128GB DDR4 ECC registered DMM, specifically the M393 AK40B42 CWD model. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's a powerhouse designed to supercharge your server's performance. This memory module boasts a massive 128 GB capacity, utilizing DDR4 technology with speeds reaching up to 2,666 MHz. It adheres to the PC4-21300 standard, ensuring it can handle demanding server workloads with ease. The ECC registered RDIMM designation is crucial here. ECC, or error correcting code, memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, which is vital for maintaining data integrity in critical server applications. The registered aspect adds another layer of stability, buffering commands and addresses to reduce the load on the memory controller, especially important when you're populating multiple DMM slots. The 8RX 4-octal rank configuration signifies its internal organization, impacting how the memory interacts with the memory controller. This particular configuration is optimized for server environments, maximizing bandwidth and minimizing latency. Operating at a standard 1.2V, it strikes a balance between performance and power efficiency. Now, a very important point. This memory is explicitly designed for select server systems. It is absolutely not compatible with desktop computers, laptops, or standard PCs. Attempting to use it in such systems will likely result in system failure or incompatibility issues. This is ECC registered memory, and it cannot be mixed with other ECC types like ECC unbuffered, ECC load reduced, or even non-ECC unbuffered memory. Mixing different memory types can lead to instability and prevent your system from booting correctly. Before purchasing, it's absolutely essential to verify compatibility with your specific server model. Memory compatibility can vary significantly depending on the system's motherboard, chipset, and even the installed processor. Consult your server's documentation or the manufacturer's website to confirm that the M393 AK40B42 CWD is supported. Also, pay close attention to the memory channel guidelines outlined in your server's manual. Proper population of the memory slots is crucial for achieving maximum performance and stability. The benefits of upgrading to this 128GB module are significant, especially for memory-intensive server applications. It expands your system's available memory resources, allowing it to handle larger datasets, more virtual machines, or more concurrent users without experiencing performance bottlenecks. This translates to improved application responsiveness, reduced processing times, and an overall increase in workload capacity. For businesses relying on their servers for critical operations, this can lead to significant gains in productivity and efficiency. In summary, the Samsung 128GB DDR4 ECC registered DMM is a high-capacity, high-performance memory module designed specifically for server environments. Its ECC functionality, register design, and optimized configuration make it an excellent choice for businesses looking to enhance the reliability and performance of their servers. Just remember to double-check compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.